Hi everyone! Today I wanted to show you a facelift I did to our kitchen. It's a kitchen we have in our barbecue area and we use it a lot to entertain, but it needed a few touches. We built these shelves many years ago, and what I did at the time was to upholster the piece of wood with some plastic tablecloth, but the sun has completely rotten it. It's coming to pieces. So I bought some new one and I want to do it again. We did the kitchen island ourselves and we're really happy with it. I didn't want the cooker to be against the wall, and we couldn't find any piece of furniture that measured the same as the cooker, so we used 4 IKEA easels to do it. But I want to change the easels colors. Because it's an open space, I don't want to be seeing all the cleaning products all the time. I bought some new curtain rods to make new curtains, so everything's hidden. And I think it would be nice to make the grout in between the tiles in black. What I did to upcycle this typical kitchen cabinet is to buy some decorative vinyls and then add some new knobs. This is a new area created with some rustic wood planks and some industrial style stools. So, because the easels are already in place and they have the boards on top, I'm going to paint only the exterior of them, not this long bit. Really happy with it because the creases from bringing it from the shop haven't come off, and I don't know, well, I can change it at any time. Now I'm going to make the curtains. The first step is to measure well the space we want to cover. And this is everything I need. My measurements, my fabric and the rods I'm using. So this will be the final measurement of the curtain, but I left 2 more for the hem and 3 for the insert where the rod is going. The second step is to cut a rectangle, but we're going to cut it wider, so the curtain has space to flow. It doesn't look like a square block of material. The third step is to hem the sides, and then you're going to do the loop where the rod is going to be in. So it's just a normal hem but why? You're going to leave more space, so you can put the rod in with no problem. And then at last you are going to do the bottom hem. These rods are very useful for spaces where you can't drill holes, but take into account the weight of the curtain you're going to hang, because I don't think it holds very heavy curtains. Because the kitchen is in an open area, I wanted to make the tiles pop. I think it looks really nice and it makes it different. I thought it was going to be really fast to paint the easel's legs, but it wasn't. And it took me a long time. It was a bit of a job. I think it looks great. I think the kitchen island really needed the legs in a different color. I think it makes a whole difference because all the colors are cohesive now. This place is really echoey, so with rugs we hope it vanishes little by little. To start to describe the style of this kitchen is full of handmade stuff, crafts and hacks. I think houses have to reflect the personality of the people who live in them, and I love with this one. I really think it's us, it's really me, it's everything I like, and I'm in love. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you liked it, and see you in the next one. Bye!